So, let's talk about TunnelBear, the modded VPN app for PC. If you're looking for a way to browse the web securely and access content from anywhere, this is a solid choice. TunnelBear is super user-friendly, which is great if you're not a tech whiz. You just install it, create an account, and you're good to go. Let's get to it. Step 1. Install the app. Step 2. Open the app. Step 3. Create an account or login if you already have an account. Step 4. Connect to your preferred server. TunnelBear has servers in over 20 countries. You can easily switch your virtual location and access geo-restricted content. Now let's check out location. As we can see, it says we are in Canada. Overall, the modded TunnelBear is a solid pick for anyone wanting to surf the web with a little more privacy and a lot more fun. To download the mod, use the link down in the description. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Leave a comment down below of what you want to see next.